singing and you have a hard time knowing what the pitch is at the beginning of the phrase. That can be really frustrating for you and for the audience. It'll sound really bad. So we want to make sure you always start